Hello from Jordan France and Commercials. Here we have a 2019 68 reg Ford Transit. So this is an L2H2. So this is direct from the lease company with a warranted 101,000 miles. So this is a generator compressor van. So it's got lots and lots of added extras and goodies in the back, which I'll show you shortly. As you can see from the outside, it's got full length reflective stripes, rear chevrons, 4 corner beacons and strobes on the rear. So this is basically a trend level spec. So you've got front and rear sensors. As you can see, it's got upgraded locks all round, power fold mirrors. So obviously on the front there, your front sensors, which you can see, and then the fog lights. I'll just show you the inside. So this is the rear of the van. So you've got your work lights, pull out voice here. Just basically pulls straight down here, as you can see. BOTT racking, LED lights on the inside, lots of racking and storage, drawers, workbench. There's your compressor, which is on 110 volt 3-phase power. Got safe, more racking, 230 volt, another work light here. Got your little buttons there, turns the lamps on and off. Obviously turn your lights on and off. I'll just show you the cab. So as we come to the cab, 3 full-size seats. Got your cruise control, aircon, your DAB radio. You got auto lights, power fold mirrors. Very, very well spec'd van. And that's all your controls for your inverters and your amber lights. Any other questions at all, please give me a shout.